take one on your phone as well.
Hi, ladies. Oh yeah, play the drums. Hello. Hello.
I'll take one on your phone as well.
Hey, look, we are in Hill Carnival 2022. Oh my God! Let's do this. Let's do this. Hello. Smiles. Hi, ladies.
What do you want to do? Let's do it.
Oh, you want to do it again? All right, let's do it.
Hello.
Hi.
You look beautiful.
That's my auntie.
Oh, auntie. You guys look amazing. Thank you. Oh my God, look at the food. You're making me hungry.
Well, that's the one.
Hi guys. So we just walk into the beginning of the carnival, which is on which street?
Telford Road.
Telford Road. Then once we get there, we'll probably start setting up everything, have some drink, and then the action begins. Sisters. Sisters of the carnival, yeah. Hello. It's not ready yet, yeah? Few minutes, yeah? I'm coming for the action. That's a thumbnail. It's a little bit quiet now, so we're heading to the other side of the park is it the park, Notting Hill Gate. We're currently in Westbourne Park. That's where we are. The parade just started. You watched the amazing performance by, I don't know the name of the group, but let's continue this amazing tour of Notting Hill.
We saw St. Nick's.
Definitely. Oh yeah, playing the drums. Sorry. Sorry. Look at that! Look at this baby! Oh wow! Come on, get closer. Is that your website?
Yeah, to all my black girls.
Okay. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.
We're actually walking the room.
Yeah. That look good, isn't it? Yeah. Wow, look at that. Wow. Coconut's always good. It's give you, yeah, give you a nice. Is it ready to eat? Yes. Hello, beautiful ladies. Hello. Can I have a coffee, please?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. I want coffee with a sugar and a milk. Except what?
Except cards.
Yeah, it's good. Well, I have cash, but I want to use it too. I'm doing vlog. Yeah.
Oh, it's
a YouTube, the whole thing.
live.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you're on my YouTube channel. No.
Yesterday was pretty busy.
I'll get that. Right, so guys, I'm in Portobello Road. This is Notting Hill. So if you're Notting Hill, look, they do rum and coke, gin and tonic, Aperol espresso. I spoke to her, a very nice lady. So if you're here, make sure you come here and grab yourself a coke, a drink, rum or gin tonic. This is Notting Hill. GhanaFunTube, let's continue. That could look very nice. Is that onions? Thank you. Come on, give me a move.